When Genius Failed by Roger Lowenstein is a non-fiction book that tells the story of the rise and fall of long-term capital management (LTM), a hedge fund that was founded in 1994 by a group of renowned financial experts, including 2 Nobel Prize winners. The book delves into the intricate details of how the fund became one of the most successful and powerful in the world, only to collapse in 1998, causing panic in financial markets around the globe. The book begins with the initial formation of LTM and the hiring of its all-star team of investors. The team used complex mathematical models to identify and exploit discrepancies in the prices of financial instruments, such as bonds, currencies, and derivatives. The fund's initial success was astounding, and its investors included some of the world's most prominent financial institutions. However, as the book progresses, it becomes clear that LTM's success was built on a foundation of excessive risk-taking. The fund was heavily leveraged, meaning it borrowed huge sums of money to invest in the markets. When the markets turned against them in 1998, the fund was unable to meet its obligations and was on the verge of bankruptcy. The book describes the frantic efforts of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York and a consortium of financial institutions to save the fund from collapse. Lowenstein's writing style is engaging and accessible, and he skillfully weaves together the complex financial concepts and events into a compelling narrative. He also provides insight into the personalities and motivations of the key players involved, including the fund's founders, the investors, and the regulators. One of the key takeaways from the book is the danger of hubris in the financial world. The founders of LTM were brilliant financial minds, but they became overconfident in their abilities and took on too much risk. The book also highlights the interconnectedness of the global financial system and the potential for a single institution to cause widespread damage. Overall, When Genius Failed is a fascinating and cautionary tale of the dangers of unchecked ambition and the risks inherent in the financial world. The book is a must-read for anyone interested in finance, economics, or business, and it provides valuable insights into the events that led up to the 2008 financial crisis.